Hey guys, today we're going to try a box of the 2015 National Treasures Multi-Sport. Came out the other day, and I want to see what it's all about. So let's open it up, and hopefully we'll pull something awesome. I've seen anywhere between 10 to 12 cards per box. Kind of a hodgepodge of basketball, baseball, football, all sports, all in college it looks like, so. Crack. National Treasures always gets an A for presentation, don't they? Got some of this available on my website, beehivesportscards.com, or if you need any product, you can just shoot me over an email at beehivesportscards@gmail.com. Let's carefully take all this out. Empty. And we'll use the lid. And Frank Thomas is up first. Looks like I've got a base card of Frank the Tank. And that is 58 of 99. Very nice looking. Ooh. Ooh, next one's a winner if you're a Emmitt Smith fan. Jeepers. Emmitt Smith 1 of 1. Flawless Diamond. Ooh, that's just pretty. That's all there is to it. That is a pretty card. Emmitt Smith 1 of 1. Let's see. Let's read the back real quick here. The diamond is guaranteed by Panini America Incorporated. Okay, that's all it says. But wow, that's really something else. Really love that card. Let's keep going. Carson Palmer, 24 of 25 patch. USC Trojans. That's 24 of 25. Let's see, Tevin Coleman, Cody Latimer out of 99, and that's a jersey card. And we are going to go with 2 1-of-1s in one box. Next up, Clyde the Glide Drexler, printing plate, autograph, 1 of 1. These over here. Wow. Great box so far, jeez. Clyde Drexler, 1 of 1. Printing plate. Marcus Thornton, numbered to 99, autograph. Oh, there's a Jazz fan. I'm a Jazz fan. Trey Lyles, University of Kentucky, numbered to 99. Rookie autograph. Next up, we've got an Andrew Benintendi. Really nice looking patch in that. That's numbered to 25. And next up, we've got a Willie Cauley-Stein, University of Kentucky, colossal patch autograph, number 225. Super nice. We'll do the book last. We got Clyde Drexler again, numbered to 99. We've got a Mark McGuire short print parallel, number 2 of 5. And the book, Number 27 of 99, 27 of 99, and that's Rashad Green. Jersey book autograph. But the winner in that box was definitely the 2 1-of-1s. Just wow, that Emmitt Smith was really something else. And the Clyde Drexler kicker was superb too. Show the Clyde Drexler 1-of-1 printing plate. And then that Emmitt Smith. Jeepers, that's a nice one. It's all platinumed out a little bit. That's pimp. Super sick. Anywho, that is National Treasures Multi-Sport. I got a bunch of this stuff in the shop. beehivesportscards.com, or just shoot me over an email, beehivesportscards@gmail.com if you're interested. We usually don't keep much of the stuff we open. We usually just sell it all. So if you're interested on any of what was pulled today, just shoot me an offer. And thanks for watching, YouTubers. See ya.